Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about Winget command line tool application to update all your application installed in Windows 11 in just one command. So let's check in. Launch your start menu. Type here command prompt. Click on this run as administrator and type here this command and then press enter. This command will list all the apps with updates on Windows 11. As now we can see there is one upgrade available for this particular Microsoft Windows desktop runtime. And then type this command. Winget space upgrade space -h space double hyphen and then all, and then hit enter. After you complete these steps, the Winget tool will download and install the updates for all the application installed on Windows 11. I hope you will find this video useful. See you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.